Where's my stuff? Find a missing package that show delivers. Contact shipping carriers. Track your package. Content. Carrier content information. We work with the following carriers to deliver items. If you have an issue with you delivered, you can contact the carriers directly. Some national carriers use regional carriers to deliver your package. When this happens, your tracking information may not be accurately reflected on the national carrier website. We ship some exponentially large or heavy items by specialty carriers such as CAV, pilots, or experts, and which you want content. Okay. Manage your orders, cancel items or orders. Your orders, cancel items. Third, please check and cancel checked items. Go to your orders and select the order you want to cancel. Select the checkbox next to each item you want to remove from the orders. To cancel the entire order, select all items. Select cancel checked items. When finished, after submitting the cancellation, we'll send you a confirmation message to the email address on your account. You can also confirm that the order was cancelled by visiting your orders. If you see the orders in the cancel order selection, it was successfully cancelled. If your order is shipped directly from Amazon and can be modified, you may refuse the package or return it using our online return center. If your order is shipped directly from a seller and can't be modified, please contact seller for instruction. For more information on how to connect the seller, go to content connect third party seller. Okay. I hope your orders cancel, return exchange, manage problem cancel, payment settings,